The Jiujiao Miao, or Nine-Branch Miao, are a resilient people whose story is etched in the rugged landscape of Guizhou and beyond. Their fierce warrior spirit, unique customs, and pivotal role in Chinese history make them a group worth exploring. They trace their origins to ancient times, surviving waves of displacement and conflict. By the Ming Dynasty, only 9 clans remained, earning them the name Nine Branches. Scattered across the mountains, they forged a distinct identity, preserving their customs amidst constant upheaval. From their vibrant clothing to their distinctive rituals, the Jiujiao Miao embodied the rich cultural heritage of the Miao people. They were known for their martial prowess. They crafted heavy iron armor weighing up to 30 pounds, designed to protect them in battle. Their helmets featured 2 iron plates for defense, making them almost impenetrable. They wielded powerful weapons, spears, bull-tail lances, and massive 6-foot-long bows. Their accuracy was deadly, with arrows and lead bullets capable of piercing targets over 100 paces away. In times of conflict, these warriors stood as formidable defenders of their territory. From the Ming Rebellion of Wanzhou to the uprisings during the Qing dynasty, the Jiujiao Miao's resilience often brought them into conflict with imperial forces. During the Yongzheng Emperor's reign, they rose in rebellion once again. And the rugged terrain of Guizhou and Yunnan made their lands difficult for the Han to conquer them. It wasn't until massive military campaigns were launched that the Qing forces subdued them, confiscating their weapons and integrating their lands into the imperial system. Today, the Jiujiao Miao live in the hills of Guizhou, Yunnan, and beyond. Their fierce warrior legacy has transformed into a proud cultural identity, preserved through festivals, music, and traditional crafts. Their story is a testament to resilience and survival, a living link to a vibrant past. The Jiujiao Miao remind us that even in the face of adversity, culture and identity endure. Thank you for joining me in this journey into the world of the Jiujiao Miao. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to uncover more fascinating Hmong histories.